Today, we're making chicken puffs from Milk Bar Life by Christina Tosi. We've always been big fans of Christina Tosi, and this cookbook is just another affirmation of that. With chapter names like Hand-Me-Downs, We Are Family, and Craft Night/Sleepovers, this is definitely a great holiday staple. Now let's make the chicken puffs. This recipe also uses readily available store-bought ingredients, which makes it an easy, quick choice for a weeknight dinner, especially around the holidays. For this recipe, start by chopping the chicken. We chose to use rotisserie chicken as the author mentioned it as a great option. Next, dice the onion, or scallion or chives if you choose to use those instead. Once everything is chopped, combine the chicken, onion, cream cheese, salt, and pepper, and mix well. We actually found it easier to mix by hand for this recipe as it felt easier to combine everything thoroughly. Separate out each crescent roll and spoon some chicken mixture onto each piece, then roll up while pinching the seams. After you've filled them all, roll them in the breadcrumbs. Try your best not to get any breadcrumbs on the bottom of the rolls, as that'll cause the bottoms to brown quicker than the rest. This is also a great time to double check that everything is sealed so the chicken mixture won't come out while it's in the oven. Bake the puffs for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. These make for great party favors, but are best served still warm. There was just something about this recipe that gave us both nostalgia and felt like something you've had at a friend's house for dinner if you grew up in the 90s. These also had very strong chicken pot pie vibes, so much so that we added frozen peas and carrots to leftover filling and made a few more that way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.